Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report reminder. None of this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. Well, here we are, and we had a 8 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Mexico. We have a hurricane running through Florida. We have the recovery from Harvey. We have a potential nuclear threat, and the S&P is down 3 points, and it looks like it wants to go green on the day. The one thing I would say is that volatility, VIX, is bid right now. I'm not sure that's going to last, but if you look, we're down 3. I think we have some weekend risk coming up. VIX is over 12. So there's definitely some risk priced into things. But there's potential for that to either collapse today or collapse on Monday if there is nothing. There's rumors of another North Korea test on tomorrow. That would be one reason that markets sell off. But other than that, you look and kind of across the board, things look soft but firm. There's the NASDAQ is by far the weakest. You've got Apple and Amazon, your usual suspects down. And then your financials look stronger today. They took it on the chin the last few days, but a little bit of a recovery in Goldman today. Although that chart looks ugly. We were trading in put spreads yesterday, and I might get a chance to close it. So that would be two put spreads in 4 days, both covered. So those were kind of one of the things I'm watching, but more importantly, I'm looking at a market that I think is going to go green. That's the way things are lining up. The financials are strong, pharma is strong, kind of the rest of everything is pretty soft, is the way things line up right now. So what are the ideas I'm looking at? Let's start with Restoration Hardware, RH. It was up $22 yesterday. It's up $1.23, so a little bit of follow through. How about that? The vol is still pretty pricey, so there's some movement built in here. So this is going to be a name that I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be watching, obviously, EWY, which is the Korea ETF. It's below its 200-day moving average. Always never a good thing, and there's also threat of thermonuclear war. Those things will make Korea indexes drop. We're going to be looking at oil again. It's at a top and looks like a fade. Also going to be looking at the VIX products. They're very bid today. This morning, I think that's going to have to come off if we're going to be down only 3 points. That's the way it feels like to me. They were really soft toward the end of the day yesterday. They've kind of recovered today. I don't feel like it's going to stay that way. I think that this is a little disconnect that is going to have to be unwound, especially if we go up on the day, which again, I think is possible. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01.